Hello, hello. Thank you for dropping by. Today on Check It Out Sunday, we are doing Medieval Engineers. I am going to be adding this to my playlist if it doesn't mess up while I'm doing this. This is my second try on doing it. For some reason, I had an audio problem bad. So I've worked a little bit. I think I've got it fixed. We'll find out. But yeah, we're playing the Community Edition. Keen Software House built this. They came up with the idea and they built it. And had a lot of people playing. I mean, a lot of people. And then they started working on Space Engineers. They rushed this game out of early access and left it with a whole bunch of bugs where it was almost unplayable and concentrated fully on Space Engineers, didn't do anything else to this. Well, I guess a couple years ago, on the quiet, uh, they got together with a couple of modders, and the modders now have the codes, and they are going to get rid of all the bugs, uh, and there's no telling where they can take this game after that. They're going to do things that should have been done before it was taken out of early access for sure. Uh, they've been working on it a couple of years. I understand that a lot of the bugs have been taken care of, so I want to jump back into it. I used to love this game. I used to play it all the time. Kind of gives that I don't know, Worm Unlimited feel. It's got the same engine as Space Engineers, so that'll be kind of familiar. It's just. But anyway, let's go in. Okay, I want to go down to Load World, and I do not have anything in here. So, what I want to do is I want to go to New World, and I want to customize. Now I can pick where I want to start. There's 4 places. There's Arena where you can do PvP. There's an empty planet, the safe area. It's got a little building and a few things there where you can pick up. And then they got the wild start. It's wild. There's no safe areas, but there are landmarks. This one here has safe areas and landmarks. This one here is empty. It's good for if you have a lot of mods. I'm not doing any mods. And I'm not going to do any combat. So we are going to do survival. Let's do 05 on the autosave. If you hover over any of this, it will tell you what it's for. Let's do private. I want to keep the workshop open in case I do decide later I want mods, but I don't want any mods right now. I'm not playing with any mods to start. I want to see how the game has progressed since they fixed some of the bugs. Now let's go to advanced. Okay. Inventory size. I am going to go all the way up with it. I want the biggest inventory I can get. For the simple reason that that's all you have for a while is this backpack. And it fills up really fast. And it seems like if I start with a small backpack, I never have enough room for anything. I'm not going to mess with the backup saves. Spectator, that's just a different way to view with the camera. I'm not worried about that. Player name, I'm not worried. Day duration, I'm going to up that just a little bit. I want to bring it down to about 290 minutes. That's how long the day and night cycle would be. Season duration, I'm going to move that up to 31 days. Not really seasons in the game, but I do like that. The sun does go by seasons, so yeah. I'm going to leave the solar altitude the same. It's the angle of the sun compared to the equator, and I don't know anything about that, so I'm not going to mess with it. Max objects, that is just the max number of loose objects in the world. I'm not worried about that. Fracture pieces, I'm not worried. I want to keep structural integrity when you build. If you do not put enough pieces together to make it solid, it will collapse. So we do have structural integrity. Ruin decay, yeah. It says buildings and parts of buildings that are not attached to the ground will decay over time. Uh, so if you've got something that's just hovering in the air, it will decay. But I'm not. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm not gonna worry about it. Maximum AI is 3%. I'm gonna move that up to 5. There we go. That's just the animals. The only animals we have are deer. We do have barbarians, which is our hostile AI. I want to turn them off for now. I may turn them back on later, but right now, all they are a nuisance, especially when you're trying to get things done. So I'm going to turn them off for now. They kind of remind me of the Vambies in the Infected. Fast travel, yes, I am going to keep fast travel on, and I will show you later why. Travel limitations, I'm going to turn that off. It says fast travel only by roads and allied areas. Since it's just me, I'm going to turn it off. That way I can travel wherever I want. So that will take care of that. Now, where do I want to start? Let's start with Wild Start. I mean, you've still got your landmarks. There's just no safe area buildings or anything like that. So let's go with Wild Start. Save preset. What do I want to name it? I don't know. Let's go with season 1. Oh. Okay, so let's save it. Yes. And let's get into it. See if I set it up right. Like I said, it has been a long time. Pardon me. I have been sneezing and blowing my nose all day, so allergies are a problem. I am really excited about getting back into this. It's a lot of fun. It, like I say, it kind of reminds me a little bit of Worm Unlimited, and it kind of reminds me a little bit of a couple other games. The building mechanics, I mean, everything's great. I mean, the scenery is nice. Got good graphics. Uh, the sounds are great. It's it's got a lot of things to it, but like I say, it just had so many different bugs uh, that I mean, it seemed like the more that they did, the more updates they did, the worse it got because they wouldn't. They were really good about fixing the bugs after an update for a while, and then they got busy on Space Engineers and just gave up on this one. Just gave up on it. And like I said, a lot of people were highly upset. Well, is it going through or is it crashed? It looks like it is frozen. Okay. Yeah. So, let's get out of this again. Yes. All right. Well, whatever I did got us in it anyway. I want that. Herbs are really, really good for food because you have a health bar, you have a stamina bar, and you have a hunger bar. Yeah. Okay, first thing it wants me to do is humble beginnings. Looks like there's 6 sections. Welcome. Start by making a stone axe. Press J to view the quest journal at any time and F to pick things up. Obtain 3 sticks and 1 small stone. Okay. Sticks. We can go right over here. If I can get the hitbox. There it is. Well, saw it there for a second. Sometimes the hitboxes are hard to see and sometimes they're not. Alright, use F. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the root too. You do grab the roots and you can cook them. Okay. Oh, berries. More food. Okay, what I am looking for, yeah, one of these trees. Okay, there I've got sticks now. I just need to find some stones, and sometimes stones are hard to find. There's one of them. Okay, now I want to make a stone axe. Go I for inventory. Click on the stone axe. Craft it. Take it. And it automatically puts it down in your first slot. First heart bar slot. You do have a duplicate up here. Drag it down. There you go. But it also stays up here. That is just no matter what tool you have or different things, you have a shadow up here that takes up a slot in your inventory. Because this here is just a quick bar. So that's the difference. It's not a hot bar, it's a quick bar. That is not extra storage. So just remember that. That's why I went with, mainly why I went with the largest backpack I could go with. Alright, now we got to find an ore vein. They want us to look for the pickaxe. There's the pickaxe in front of us. We just follow it. And usually it wants to take you to the furthest area away. I know I'm passing up a lot of berries. I need to pick up berries. I need that stone too. I'm having a hard time getting my finger to stay on the F. And let's grab grab these berries. That's a tree. I don't want that. I do need more berries. Lots of berries. Oh well, let's keep following the... Oh, right here. Okay. This is copper. There's usually 2 or 3 pieces of copper laying on top of the ground. Looks like this one only has one, and it can be a little ways away. So you kind of search around. Grab some more sticks because I'm going to need them. Is there any more? Oh. No, I guess that one was the only one. Well, here's some more. You see the color area? Just kind of search down in here, see if there's any more just laying on top of the ground. I guess not. Okay, what does it want us to do next? Press I to add your stone axe to the toolbar and equip it. We've already equipped it. Okay, obtain 2 logs. Okay, I believe I can do that. Okay, now you want to watch your trees, because if they start coming toward you, you better get out of the way, because you can be injured and even killed by a tree. Oh. There it goes, finally. But yeah, they can hurt you. And they can even kill you. You can chop up the stumps for sticks. Sometimes. I don't like leaving stumps. I am working with a stone axe now, so it takes longer. It will wear out faster. You can go all the way up to steel tools. But we're starting with the basics, of course. They want me to craft a crafting table, but I don't want to do that until we get to where I want to build. Oh. The bush is in the way. Okay. Sometimes you have to clear out a bush or something to be able to pick stuff up. I'm going to get all of the tree. I know the little tutorial part is done, but I still want all the logs. Because I'm going to need them, and I don't want to just leave them laying here. And those I can use for fuel. Let's grab some more berries. I wish I'd found some mushrooms. Should be some mushrooms down in these woods. We may not find a place where I want to settle down to start with this time, but I will. Like I say, I am going to put this on the playlist. I'm going to add it to my daily games, or every other day, I guess you could say. Guess I need a deeper woods. I don't see any mushrooms at all. But I really need some mushrooms. Alright, what I am going to look for in a place to live. I want a good view. I want a good open area, but I want a really nice forest close by. And I also want a lot of ore. You know, iron, copper, tin, good ore. So I guess I'm going to go look in this forest, see if I can find some mushrooms. I may go into, what's down here? Nothing. I see another couple more copper veins. I haven't seen any iron, but I see copper. I don't see any laying on the ground though. Like I say, you'll find them close, and sometimes you'll find them laying out a little ways. It takes 5 copper ore to make 1 ingot, or any ore to make an ingot. So yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of ore. There wasn't anything over here. I guess while I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off, I can show you the world, or the map. We are up here. I think I'm going to head down this way. There's the fast travel. You can click on one of these squares, or if you have your claim block up, you can fast travel to there. All you have to do is click on this and away you go. But the main thing is you want to make sure your belly is full, because it does take food and energy to do it. This shows closer into the map. I am right here. There's a bunch of mountains over here, it looks like. I know there's a way to yeah, there we go. But I didn't want to do that. There's a way you could scroll in and out a little bit more, I thought. Now you can click, right now it's showing we are in Levos. That's the region we are in. There is Ferion. Right, that would be that. That is Rintel. Darios is the equator, basically. And That is Umbral, the other end of the world. Is your northern and southern equators. Same thing, you know. But considering we are right there and we are in Levos, and where do I want to go? So we're here. I don't remember how to see the complete map. Okay, we're in the Kingdom of Levos right now. I don't want that. I want to go, that's the easiest, is just go in the center, because we're up here. I think I'd like to kind of go down in here. There is a place that has palm trees, and there's a lot of iron down in there. Okay. Double click. That's what it is. Okay. No. I want to go back to that. What is this down here? There we go. There's palm trees. I think I want to be down in here. And so I want to head that way. And that is like B5. Yeah, region B5. So I want to head down. And these little question marks are landmarks. So we are no. All right, I want to go, let's fast travel. Let's fast travel. I want to go right down here. And let's fast travel to about here. About there. Would I like to travel to unclaimed area at the cost of 1 food? I currently have 76 food. Yes. Let's wait for the world to load. Okay. Oh, it got dark. Oh. No. Okay. Can I make a torch? Torch. Craft. Take. Let's bring this down to, say, 2. Okay. There we go. All of a sudden it got dark. That's okay. We're almost out of time anyway. But there's some palm trees. But there is a great big palm tree grove somewhere down in here. And that's basically where I want to be. Really can't see anything in this dark. I mean, we traveled to the center. Let's look at our map again. Now where are we? Okay, we are up here. I think I want to go that way. Nope. Yeah, see, now I'm over here. I think I want to go this way. But I want in the green area, of course. And I think this is a big, got a lot of palm trees in here. So we will just wander around in this area a little bit. I will, and look around and see if that's where I want to be. Because it looks like there's a lot of palm trees that way. I don't know about this way, according to the map. This map is not the greatest, but I have played a lot of games where there absolutely was no map. I'd like to find the road. Where is the road? I mean, I can't see anything. I'm going to have to make some food here pretty soon. So I'll have to make let's see if I can make a salad. Okay. That shows what you need. You need fruit, veggie, or veggie. There's several different things you can make salads out of. Let's take that and right click to eat it. That brought my hunger back up all the way. Wasn't the greatest food in the world, but it's better than nothing. I think that's the road over here. There it is. There's the road. All right. We're good. Now, I don't know which way I want to go. Do I want to go over that way, or do I want to go that way? We will find out in the next episode, which I believe is the slot it's going into will be tomorrow. So, yeah, you get another dose of this tomorrow. Hopefully, we will find a place to settle down and call our own. Start getting some crafting done and some quests done, and see if we can figure out what in the world we're doing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really want to thank you for stopping by. If you did enjoy it, I would appreciate a thumbs up and maybe a small comment letting me know that you did see it. I'd like to know if you've played it before, if you've ever heard of it. Are you interested in seeing more of it? Just some little comment down there in the comment field, just letting me know you actually watched it. If you want to see more of this game or any of the other 7 games that I am playing, you can always subscribe. But I want you to have a wonderful day, evening, whatever it is in your time zone. For me, it is Sunday morning, so I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day, and I will catch you in the next one. Good. I hope. Goodbye.